that thing's a rattle box. We could do this ride home without stopping. Just keep riding it. That was almost a stop. I'll chalk that up to a no stop. I'll take that. Still going, working it. Bobbing and weaving here. All right, now we got some green lights. Greens, let's go. Oh, it smells good over here. So many restaurants just starting up for the day, getting their cook started. Guy doing? This guy looks like he's going to be an idiot. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. I ain't stopping at this. I ain't gonna stop at this one either. I'm gonna roll through. I don't know if I can do anything about this one. Keep it moving. We have one light. I'll probably get another. Grand Street will probably be another. There's an idiot. You can always spot the idiots. They start braking in the middle of an open road. Losers. Ah, Delancey. Delancey got the red light. Let's see what I can do here. Keep moving. Keep moving. Alright, I think I'll make it across on this one. This light. Let's see. Yep, we got it. The subtle art of never stopping. This one's tricky because Norfolk has got a lot of traffic on it. We got it though. The loop-de-loop. Another one tricky coming up is Clinton. Always a lot of traffic on Clinton. Oh, we got the green. All right, good. That's it. Mission complete. One light. One short stop. Because these are all blow-bys. I tell you, it's nice to just chill, ride, chill, slow pace, you know, really engage that pedal assist and let the bike do the work for you. Just chilling. Give it a little thumb here and there. That's it, we made it. Thanks for watching, everyone. This ride really had no plan. I was just coming home. Figured I'd record. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell your fucking grandma. Tell that bitch.